How to activate Lowe's credit card online. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate your Lowe's credit card online. To do so, you will need to go to the official website of Lowe's credit card. For that, you need to open any web browser on your device, and at the search bar, you need to type lowe's.syf.com/activate. Make sure you enter this correct keyword here. Now press the enter button to search it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Lowe's credit card. Here in this page, you will find this activation page where you will need to enter some of your details of your credit card. In this first box, enter the 16-digit card number. And in the second box, enter the 3-digit security code that is presented on the back side of your card. Once you have entered it, in this box you need to enter the last 4 digits of your social security number. Now once you have entered all the details correctly, click on this Activate My Card button at the bottom, and then you will be able to activate your card. After that, you will receive a confirmation message that your card has been successfully activated and now it is ready to use. So by following these steps, you should be able to activate your Lowe's credit card. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.